Hey, good morning, rail fans. Saturday morning, time for the Wisconsin Southern T4. Yeah, I've caught this a million times, but here we go again. Today's train is going to be led by 6023, which is one of the freshly painted SD60Ms. And I think there's 6 units on the lash up, so a lot of EMD power, and it's also a military train. I'm here at North Rugby Junction on Scenic Road, and Scenic Road is closed. Yeah, which explains why I'm seeing all the occupancy on ATCS monitor all week long. Looks to be like they are replacing the crossing on Scenic. For those of you who live in the area, just behind me is a gravel pit and a cement company. And during the weekdays, you definitely don't want to be on this road. Tons of trucks coming through here, and those trucks really beat on the crossings. And so it looks like the CN is choosing to replace the crossing yet again, which seems like they're doing quite often. But for me, this is nice because I can stand in the middle of the road and there's no cars coming. So anyway, enjoy the catch, and maybe next time I'm here, there'll be a nice fresh crossing to look at. Have a good day.